gone, the air feels new. Fresh sea breeze with a sweetened hue. The pelicans glide on a mirror so still. The lake whispers softly, the world is fulfilled. Seabirds call as they dive for their prize. Graceful arcs beneath pastel skies. A warm sun rises, painting gold on blue. Malacoota's morning, timeless and true. Oh, the lake reflects a waking song. Life stirs gently as the day moves along. Pelicans fishing, the soft waves break. It's another fine morning on Mallacoota Lake. Locals jog by, their breaths in tune, as the lake glimmers under the late spring moon. A bakery hums, its scent takes flight. Hot coffee pours, bread warm and light. Croissants, pies, a baker's delight, fueling the town as dawn turns bright. The laughter of friends, the clink of a spoon. Mallacoota dances to its morning tune. A boat cuts through the lake's glassy gleam. Fishermen chasing their early dream. Their rods and reels, their lines cast far, bathed in light from a fading star. Swinging reeds hum a rhythm low. The gentle lake carries the morning's flow. A town alive in the air so sweet, where sea and rain and fresh earth meet. Oh, the lake reflects a waking song. Life stirs gently as the day moves along. Pelicans fishing, the soft waves break. It's another fine morning on Mallacoota Lake. Work days begin, but with ease they start. In Mallacoota, life plays its part. Kids on bikes, the school bells near. Laughter and chatter ring crystal clear. The bakery door swings with every soul, carrying warmth. The bakery door swings with every soul, carrying warmth that fills the hole. The saxophone of the breeze hums low under skies where the lake's life flows. As the day begins to find its stride, Mallacoota hums with its soulful pride. Oh, the rhythm of life, so soft, so awake, forever lives on by Mallacoota Lake. Oh, the lake reflects a waking song. Life stirs gently as the day moves along. Pelicans fishing, the soft waves break. It's another fine Mallacoota Lake.